Aleykümselam. Kanka, Minecraft var. Sence de üçüncü sene taktık. Deneyim. Kanka sen bilirsin ya. Vallahi ama DBS'in gelmesi çok zor. Ona göre şey yapsam. Ben toplam 500 Minecraft şey yaptım. Harcadım. 5. topta geldi. Ses geliyor mu acaba? Kanka ses gelmiyor mu yoksa yayın donuyor mu? Onu şey yapsan çünkü sadece yayında sen varsın. Duyursan iyi olacak. Davis için ben 500 MyClub harcadım kanka. O yüzden 300 MyClub'a gelmesi biraz zor gibi. Ama yine de sen bilirsin. Ama DBS'i çıkarmak çok zor ya. Başka hesaplarda denedim. Kanka araba gitti ama şimdi güzel düzeldi. Eyvallah kardeşim. Ama biraz beklesen aa, Perşembe günü şey geliyor ya, konu oyuncular, ona göre şey yapsan iyi olur bence. Bekle biraz da. Evet kanka, öyle yapsan iyi olur. Tamam kanka, maç yapacağım şimdi. Oyun çok donuyor ya. Sende de öyle mi? Bazen böyle takılmalar oluyor. Bak, ekran gelmiyor. Ya kanka, Barcelona gelebilir ama Eto'o biraz daha geç gelebilir bence. Bekletip sonra şey yaparlar bence. Bana göre Arsenal veya Manchester United'de olabilir. Bana göre öyle. Belki Bayern Münih'te olabilir. Rummenigge'le.
Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. And this must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. Looking to pass a hit! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Has a goal! Oh, that's fabulous! About as smooth as it gets! England take the lead! Sterling at his razor-sharp best there.
Oh, look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
France trail at this early stage. Will they respond? It's clean! No mistake! And they're at it again in double quick time. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
I just thought that was going to hit the outside of the post for a moment there, but it just curled enough to catch the inside for a very good strike.
England get themselves a two-goal cushion.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter. And
Kane! Oh, shame, that was nicely worked.
oh, it's a real opportunity, mister. He's done all the hard work getting to the ball. All he needed to do was get some control on it.
Coman. Rabiot. Over to the left. Coman. Mbappe gets it, and now what? Oh no, that's not the ball he wanted. Rice. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. It's gone out for a throw-in. Oh, Good steal, he just read it.
Mbappe. That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Good challenge, he just stood firm.
Mbappe.
Coman, great strength, too strong for his opponent. Good idea, just poorly executed. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Rabiot tries lifting it over. Kyle Walker. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Maguire hits that long. And it's half-time here. Some first half thoughts?
Look, Peter, this isn't good. Their body language is not encouraging, and the manager must have a major verbal impact, or else.
Here we go again.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
Pogba, and here's Griezmann. He's had that put on a plate. Shoots! And that wasn't far away.
Coman nearly produced a moment of magic. He knew the strike was pure.
Cleared away. England have it back and they can go again.
Coman.
Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. Coman! Just needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Walker goes looking. And it's played forward. He's picked him out. It's Kane! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Ya çok acı gözüküyor vuramıyorum.
Oh, that is us! Goes for goal!
Hep var onun düşüyor.
And it's there! And surely that settles it! That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Our players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great coaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
Resmi gördüm ama
He's gone for it!
direkt üzerine vuruyor.
It's a loose ball. Hoists it forward. Varane does well to read it and intercepts.
Oyun çok donuyor kanka. O yüzden oynamıyor, bırttırıyor.
Conte. Almost 75 minutes on the clock now. Gets wrestled off the ball. Needed a better pass there. Rafael Varane.
Mbappe.
Big chance! That had to be more accurate. Coman! Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? He's found his man. Crowd calling for him to shoot. Has a pop! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Şimdi nasıl kanka? Ses geliyor mu? Şöyle uzun.
Pogba plays it out to the wing.
Geçmedi.
Walker can get it clear. And that's been won straight back. That'll be a throw. Rabiot,
Ya
Phillips. And that will be the final act. France had no answer, second best in every department, and correspondingly well beat. Your reflections then, Jim?
Well, the surprise for me...
az çok geliyor aynı iyi ses şu an. Kanka bir az kadron gösterebilir misin? Kanka valla şöyle göstereyim. O kadar iyi ikonlar yok ama öbür hesabımda çoğu ikon ama bunda çok az. Böyle Rummenigge var, Devies var, Neymar var. Başka da ikonlar var ama bunları oynatmıyor. Mesela Kluivert var, Cole var, Bergkamp var, Rivaldo var, Forlan var. Pires var, Irvin var. Başka burada da Torres var, Petit var. Öyle kanka. Bu şekilde. Şimdi nasıl ses? Kanka az kazan göster. Bence bende sadece bir ikon var. O da Piyol. Kanka gelir sana da inşallah. Perşembe günü şeylerden ikon geldiği zaman aç. Kanka ses mük. Kanka ses mük demişsin ama iyi mi bence ya kötü mü? Ses nasıl geliyor? Eyvallah, hoş geldin kanka. Ha, şimdi deneyim biraz ya. Spikerin sesini biraz sıktım ama nasıl oluyor? Hoş bulduk, iyi yayınlar. Eyvallah, teşekkür ederim. Tamam kanka. Sami Erkan Alirak. Bu ne ya? Konferansı kontrol dosya bir yana kontrol. Tamam
Oh,
kanka.
what a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here
Eyvallah,
as we
teşekkür
welcome you
ederim.
to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these
Şimdi nasıl
supporters
ses?
who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. It is a venue this which simply adds
Yeah.
to the spectacle of the game in stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. We
Çok
have
donuyor
already
ya.
started here. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
Well, a player who's learned fast for me is Luke Shaw, a fullback who likes to involve himself in matters at the offensive end of the pitch, but he covers the ground with speed and
Bak
a
ya
good
buna.
work ethic, so I think he's coming on really well.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about how they get the best out of him. Kane. Kimpembe gets into the right position to intercept.
Yok ya, böyle maç oynanmaz.
Sprayed out wide. Kane. Mbappe. Coman. Gets the better of his man. Let's put a stop to that.
Allah Allah.
Shaw hoists it forward, and the whistle's gone, presumably for offside.
Kanka biz atalım mı? Tamam kanka, maçımı bitireyim.
Forward it goes. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance.
Allah.
Lloris sends that a long way. Rabiot. He's made sure that that won't get through. Rice. Coman. And that has been clubbed away. Hernandez gets it back. And here's Griezmann. Good take, and he's had a look.
Ya
Stones goes looking. Done very well to intervene. And it's played forward. Mbappe kings it out wide. Walker battles to win it back. Now it's Kane. Pavard does well there, alert. Pavard plays it forward. Now it's Kane. Kane plays it out to the wing. Griezmann. Pavard tries to get it forward quickly.
oyunun at ya. Allah.
Rashford. It's come loose. There's the end of the
Hemen
first half.
bitsin kanka
So
şu
the other team has broken
maç.
through. They certainly not for the want of trying. Interesting game up to now. But still goals. Any strong opinions on the first half?
Well, they've never really been threatened in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
An intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. You're just back from your break. You've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
France can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
That's a poor kick by the keeper. He's just given it straight back. And here's Kane. Out towards the flank.
He'll simply have to tip his hat to the keeper here because that was a magnificent save.
Now it's Kane. Good challenge, he just stood firm. He's
Buna
brought
bak
him there,
ya.
it's a free kick. it's played forward. Coman collects the ball from behind. He gets past his man. He's had a goal! It's in! And finally he has breathed life into the game. Lovely goal, perfect poise to set himself for the strike. France saw first blood here.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worth a treat.
Out to the right. There's the shot!
Tamam kanka. Bekliyorum o zaman.
Here's a poor kick by the keeper, being intercepted. Forward it goes.
Ya bitmedi bu maç. Bir türlü.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Bunu aldım.
That's a throw. Henderson plays it forward, looking to force his way through. Kane tries a shot!
Ya
Really well taken goal. That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
I think he just thought about trying his luck from further out there, but why bother when you can worm your way through a defence like that? It's terrific play to get through and score.
England grab the equaliser and we're all square.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before a goal was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
3 köşeden geçti ya.
It's got through to him. It's come through.
France showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
Walker gets it back. Hoists it forward.
France merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
The referee's awarded a free kick.
Tamam kanka atalım. Şey yap. İstek at. Aşağıda şey yaptım yazdım. Oradan at hemen atalım.
Very little time to go and they have a free kick in a really promising area. Griezmann! Oh, brilliant stop from Pickford! Denied by a great piece of goalkeeping.
Well, I thought his starting position was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball and deal with it well.
Rashford positions himself well and cuts it out. Pavard.
Ya böyle oyun mu olur?
Ball's loose, who's getting there? Conte. Back into the middle. Greatly! It's scored!
And the chances of winning a game that may have gotten away from you are always great for
Tamam,
characters
kanka.
like this player. Strong personality.
And there goes the final whistle. Whatever the shortcomings on either side, it was a great game to watch, just one between them. So a dramatic...
Kanka şu an bu attım maçında kadroma puanlarını tamam kanka. Bir bakayım. Geç. Ne olur. Menajerlerden kim gelmiş? Martins. Altı yüz yetmiş iki. Ya beş yüz otuz altı. 500. Vallahi güzel oyuncularım var. Ansu Fati'de, Salah'ta, kenarlarda. Konu oyuncu yok mu sende? Murat Beydoğan. İşler var. Oynatamıyor. Doğru kanka. Ya inşallah sen de konu oyuncu alırsın ya bu perşembe inşallah. Kanka konu oyuncular gelir ama bilmem. Bazen taktikler iyi işe yarıyor. Güzel kadron var. Harbiden. Tekrar da bakayım. Evet. Şahit Kala.
Oh, what a lovely,
Ya
lovely
kanka
day.
biraz
Absolutely glorious
beklersen
weather
iyi
here
olur.
as we welcome
Hemen
you to
bitmemiş maça
a football match
başlamıştım.
of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while, and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in
Bildirimler.
the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets. Has a goal! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, as test goalkeeper, the keeper just received an A+ grade.
Now short, going for goal! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
And a
Şöyle
header!
ya
It's come back out! He's
nasıl
pulled off a
girmez ya
fine
ki?
save.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Hı hı.
Koeman, Mbappe. Neither side yet able to force a
Benim o
breakthrough
benim
here.
verim. Ver ama. Ya vermedi.
Ferran Torres. Kimpembe. Mbappe. Out to the left it goes. Koeman tries lifting it over. Koeman needed to come up with a better ball.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
Mbappe. Pogba. Pogba plays it forward. Back into the middle. Timely intervention. Tries to get it forward quickly.
Mbappe really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
Laporte drives it forward. Shoots!
Allah.
Didn't catch it right.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
He's had a shot! Kante can get it clear. Rabiot drives it forward. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Ferran Torres. Spain get it back again. Goes for goal! And he's
Well, players of his stature just live for moments like that. Another really important contribution as we near half-time, and it can make such an impact on each mindset.
perfect play. Big chance! No mistake! They are right back in business. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, I think the players will be buoyed by the fact that they've managed to level things in.
We hit half-time. Well, it has been an even contest, as the scoreline suggests, and it has been more than decent to watch. The midway point of the game.
Oh, what a half of football. It's 1-1, but it could easily be 3-3 or more. Breakneck speed brilliance.
To the break with nothing to separate them. The score 1-1. We're already back underway here. Mbappe. Griezmann. Koke. Well positioned to make that interception. Hoists it forward. Rabiot. Put a stop to that.
Şöyle burasını kapatsak. Evet.
Kimpembe. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there.
Peter, we can only applaud that quality of tackle in the circumstances. It was
Nereye gidiyor ya
probably
bu paslar?
goal-saving.
Speculative strike. And it's Griezmann. Mbappe, a scorer already in the game, looks to clip it forward. Defending of the desperate variety. And it's played forward. Koke. Coman. Just brushed off the ball there. Azpilicueta. Questions were asked. He's given the answers. Mbappe!
Ya
Oh, great save, real class.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
şöyle benzin alalım. Dembele sen değil. Tolisso sen de. Kanka sen ben Arka Uşak'tan geliyorum. Tamam kanka maç bitireyim. Hemen döneceğim.
Managed to get it away. Chance!
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Tolisso. Hernandez. Tolisso. Tolisso. And here's Dembele. Good idea, just poorly executed. He's in!
Ya
He's chipped him right on the cusp of the penalty area.
Allah.
France have themselves a chance from the spot to turn a deficit into a lead.
Penaltıyı kazandık. Bunu Loris'le atalım. Sağa vurmayacağım, sola. Ya
Some save from De Gea.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter,
Ne
for
yapıyor,
a
kaçıyor.
late steal here.
ama
Pogba. Jordi Alba. And time is up. A game chock full of moments and talking points. It could have gone either way, but chose in the end to share its spoils. It ends in a high...
tamam kanka. Hemen söyle. İstek atayım. 900.000. Attım kanka. Ya kanka. Maç sırasında şey yaparsa ya yorumlarsın. Unutmuşum. İstersen maça gel kanka. Tamam kanka. Bastım. Biraz oyun donuyor ama. Kanka valla güzel kadron var. Haaland. Zaten Haaland oldu mu forvette her şey bitiriyor rakibi. Güzel kadron var maşallah. Her oyuncu yerlerinde. Ama Fred Dost'u koymuşsun. Göbek oynuyor galiba o.
Well, a very good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. There are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. this one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the great...
Al Kemal, burada mısın? Ya seni de çok beklettik ya. Kanka maç bitiyor dedi, oyundan attı. Bitiyor. Kusura bakma. Üzülürsün. Bitiyor. Yok kanka ya, özür dileyecek bir şey yok. Maç yaparsın yoksa çıkıyor mu? Sinan Teknaz. Kardeşim. Vallahi bilmedi, şarjı doğru biraz. Tamam kanka, o zaman ben biraz maçları bitireyim. Müsait zaman ne oldukça şey yaparsın. Haber verirsin. Devam et. Ödüller 3200. Kusura bakmayın. Kusura bakmayın. Değilse öyle ki açacağım. Tamam kanka. Tamam kanka. Eyvallah, teşekkür ederim. bir. Kanka Fred aynı kapı oyuncusu postu sadece her biraz ama doğru.
Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. Just joining us, we are already underway. Little doubt, that is a foul. It's a throw in. Mbappe. Great strength, too strong for his opponent.
Allah Allah.
Ginter with a delicate ball.
Çok da ne ya. Niye böyle?
Kimpembe positions himself well and cuts it out.
Şimdi belli olur kimin internet sıkıntısı oldu. Ya kanka bu maç Türkiye'ye geçer sadece. Allah. Kardeşim bu şeyler vardı ya Legend, Vieira, Roberto Carlos, Batistuta gibi şey açmadın mı GP ile? Top açılımı yapmadın mı? O dosta Vieira oldu mu her yeri kapatıyor orta saha. Kanka beraber bir kalan kuralım. Kalan. Beraber bir kanal dedim ya. Kardeşim tekrar yazar mısın? Allah Allah. Doğru. Ya bulursun kanka inşallah. Kilan ne kanka? Ben onu anlamadım.
Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. This must be amongst the favoured arenas of supporters all over the world. It really does have a very special feel to it. The action has already started. It's a good foot in there. Pavard gets into the right position to intercept. Thiago tried to play it through.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
And here's Morata. What an
Allah
adventurous run from a
Allah.
defender. Hernandez with the clear. Hits one!
Kanka diyeyim.
And it's got through. Gets up to head it! It's missed, but not by that far.
Morata did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Conte. He's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. And they've been caught out here. Conte, finishing the half-hour mark. France still without an attempt on target. Defending of the desperate variety. Pogba. Mbappe. Coman!
At şöyle.
Dinks one in. Mbappe has a
Allah.
shot!
2 metreden kenara vuruyor.
Nearly.
İkinci yarı
This is nothing.
anlıyorum. Oyunu arkadaşlarım görüyorum. Tamam kanka. Bir saniye.
Mbappe has a shot!
Sonunda.
Goal! France! Oh, it was a hefty deflection, but he's claiming it. France take the lead.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Morata. Adama. Oh, shooting chance!
Allah
They've
Allah.
scored! On the cusp of half-time, he delivers with perfect timing.
Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he
Yere-
didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
Spain grab the equaliser, and we're all square.
Well, I think the players will be buoyed by the fact that they've managed to level things in a hurry. Tails most definitely up now.
half-time whistle. So a very watchable game so far. Action at both ends and the teams level. It's a really interesting game and they head in at half-time at 1-1. Spain at the second half starting. Rabiot tries to stroke it through. Tries to get it clear. Rabiot needed to come up with a better ball.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Koke plays it long. Has a hit!
Ya
Wonderful goal!
bu kadar
Some
basit
players are
olmamalı.
just capable of grabbing a game by the
Doğru
scruff of the
kanka,
neck. And
ikinci
his
yarı.
immense talent,
Evet,
they just have done exactly
vermek
that and
söylediği
injected
zaman
the belief
unutmayız.
that they can retain their lead this time round.
He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
That's just a great finish, but
Come on.
it's down to very clever movement. You can see this has been obviously worked on the training ground. He knew exactly where he wanted the ball and it all came good.
Spain go into the lead.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Uzaklaştırın
Pavard
şöyle.
knocks it away, and it's Thiago.
Aldım. Ya
Ferran Torres. He can get that clear, and it's been taken straight back.
şimdi ne
That's
oldu?
clear cut. It's a free kick. Pogba. Conte. And here's Benzema. Griezmann.
Ya
Griezmann finds himself offside.
evet kanka, kadron güzel gayet.
And it's Benzema. Good challenge. He just stood firm.
Top geçmiyor ya.
And a shot! It has to be said, an absolute gift. Quite a thriller this one's become.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Benzema. Dembele. Tolisso has a hit! Goal! France! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
France get themselves into the lead.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition looked completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Now it's Griezmann, and it's Benzema. Pogba.
Ya
France probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
France just have to run down the clock. Conte. Time added on, 4 minutes. Well, needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Llorente plays it forward. And that's been levered clear. Must needed to be better than that.
Ya
and he knows it.
çarptırıyor ya. Sağa sola.
Although that's not the ball he wanted. And there goes the final whistle. And that's
Eyvallah.
ability, responding superbly to come from behind, shrugging off setbacks along the way, and determinedly getting there in the end.
Şu an yapalım yoksa sonra mı yapalım? Tamam geliyorum. Sen söyle istek at diye. O zaman istek atarım. Evet kanka, fark etmez 19 ama gündüz maçta koyarsan iyi olur. Gündüz olsun. Şöyle gerek yok. Diktatör. Gel.
Well, hello and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. As you can see, we've already started here. Is Neymar! And the ball's come out! Pullet drives it forward. Dashing forward at pace.
Rafael Varane simply had to make that count, and he did it with some authority too. Wonderful.
He's had a goal!
Looking back on that, it was some save and potentially a big moment for the keeper and his team.
Varane positions himself well and cuts it out. Ruben Diaz cuts it out. Could be a chance here. Has a goal!
Maşallah, tebrik ederim ya.
He does it all with an air of
Gol
efficiency
yedik.
and simplicity.
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper, and there was very little doubt as to how this was going to end up.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. And it's Adama Traore. He's got away.
Oo.
Out to the right. Adama Traore. Careful, gets good distance on it. Pull it. Good challenge, he just stood firm.
Ya
Xavi Alonso fires from distance. Neymar. And it's Cruyff. He's made sure that that won't get through. And here's Torres, looking to break out here. Fernando and Torres! Ruben Diaz. And it's Adama Traore. Vieira. Gerrard. Gerrard! They've done it! A truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl.
Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Yeah, for me, both sides are strong and well matched, and
He's gone for it! Oh my word, that is fantastic! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
yeah, looking back
Kapatalım
at that, that's how you
şurasını.
play on the
Devlet,
counter. Quick and decisive
Rot.
and ruthless with the finish. It
Harika.
was a stunning breakaway.
So we have a
Kafu
breakthrough.
şimdi ver.
Now how will things develop from here?
Well,
Sen de.
unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition looked completely stunned. I'm not sure.
And the shots!
Evet.
Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
Well, I think there's a few trying to claim offside, but he looks to have been on. Yeah, he was on.
So the lead now is 2.
Well, it's been
Aferin be.
an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to
Şurada
look unstoppable.
ya
There
Neymar'a
could be more
geçmedi.
on the way.
Good idea, just poorly executed. Neymar. Neymar has been caught there, it's a foul. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card.
Buradan
Yeah, we
free
guessed
kick.
that this scenario could take place
Şöyle
because
atalım. Gol mü
he's up
acaba?
against pace.
And that is quite wonderful! About as smooth as it gets! And already they're looking
Teşekkür
to run
ederim
away
ya.
with it.
Gol sevincini
Oh, that
göstereyim.
is a bit special.
Look, there's an awful lot that can go wrong from that range. How good was that?
So now the difference is 3.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage
Oo
here.
şova bak. Aferin.
Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go
Git
again.
şimdi de. Haaland.
Davis. Cruyff. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Van Dijk. Rafael Varane. Neymar. That'll be a throw. Davis could try cutting inside here. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch. Adama Traore. Into the middle. Cruyff. The half-time whistle goes.
Well, I would think this one is possibly over as a contest. They know they've already reached cruise control, and it's a case of the right game management to take it from here.
Really has been an astonishing game, peppered with goals. You cannot help feeling that the second half will supply more. Underway again. Cruyff. Has a look and has a go. Davis. Gets away from his opponent. Here comes the corner. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Neymar. Davis. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Gets the better of his man. It's come loose. And it's Vieira. He's tried one. And it's played forward. Goes for goal! It's anyone's ball. Keeper's got his work done.
Another example
Az
of
kaldı.
how comfortable this team is on the break.
Şöyle Van Dijk'ı çekelim. Gel buraya Van Dijk.
Played it short.
Kapatalım.
Well
Alalım.
positioned to make that
Benim o.
interception.
Evet.
He's through. Goes for goal. That is sunset and the follow-up.
Ya çok bas.
Extraordinary.
Oh, his instinct was brilliant, but not the finish.
Oo. Oo. Oo.
Whistle off the ball. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Pullet. Vieira shows great strength. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Triol gets into the right position to intercept. Just brushed off the ball there. Oh, real danger here. It's one! Nicely controlled. And here's Neymar.
Ya Neymar.
And he's straight offside.
Şöyle çekelim. Rummenigge.
Triol. hoists it forward. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Davis goes looking. Out for a throw. And it's Hullet. Belts one. Oh, top draw save from the keeper.
I think the little eagle has just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back page headlines there.
In with the challenge. Ball's loose. Who's getting there? Maradona. He's gone for it. It's Maradona! That tested the keeper.
Well, the defence are in a good position to get behind the ball and let them just try from range.
Davis is charging up on the overlap. Cruyff. Neymar. Neymar! It's Gerrard! Keeper gets just about enough of it.
Well, Peter, he clearly felt he was being invited to shoot, and it wasn't the worst decision he could have made.
Done very well to intervene. Forward it goes. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Davis. That's really nice. Now, what next? He'll try from distance. Standing save to keep that out. Davis tries to get it forward quickly. Now it's Torres. Cruyff. And the referee brings it to a close. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. How do you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Eyvallah. Şimdi eline sağlık. Teşekkür ederim. Kardeşim. İyi oynadın valla. Maradona ile çok iyi çalım yaptım. Bende de var ama Maradona ile hiç çalım attıramıyorum. Legend Maradona değil mi senin Maradona? Yok kanka, öyle değil. Gol da vurdun. Güzel maç çıkardın valla. İstersen gelip daha benim elimsinler. Tamam kanka. Kanka. İstek atayım o zaman.
lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled
Evet.
up to it in
Kanka neyse
fantastic
ya.
numbers. You should have seen the roads
Gerekiyorsa
outside the
3.
ground
maçta
in
yaparız.
the hour or two leading up to it.
Fark etmez.
It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now.
Nereye gitti bu top?
Certainly this
Allah.
is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. He's had a shot!
Cruyff şöyle kapat şurasını.
Just brushed off the ball there.
Ne oluyor ya?
Well weighted.
Oh.
And a goal!
Gol yedik.
He's got it!
Hoppa.
Yeah,
Bilmeden
the pass was
atladım
bang
kanka.
on, and he just
Vallahi.
had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. He ran himself into trouble there. Free kick given away. That is a routine catch.
I was expecting him to play it in until I saw his run-up.
Davis drives it forward. Torres. Neymar. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Could move up a gear here. Nedved sticks in a foot to win it back. Good steal, he just read it. It's a promising ball. Oh, well defended, that had to be done.
Allah Allah.
Real chance! And he's there to make a great save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Xabi Alonso standing over it. Good save, he got a decent fist on. Has a goal! He's looking to get there first. And he's going long. He's gone for it! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Puyol simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Neuer. Güzel uzandı.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And it's Nedved. Chance! Strong hand by the keeper.
Neuer
Very
gününde.
well to get to that.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Strong punch. It's got through. Steered in. Massive leap! Oh, nearly. But nearly is nothing.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Davis. Now it's Cruyff.
Cruyff.
Sit forward, out to the right. Now the breakaway. In comes the corner.
Allah Allah. Ne yapıyor ya bunlar?
And that's a goal kick. it forward. Back into the middle. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Davis goes looking. Forward it goes. Shapes to shoot! A really close shave, and the last action of the first half. There we are, off they go for half-time. Hopefully good indeed come in the first half. But there has only been that one goal. It was very, very tight.
Well, they definitely won't be happy with that half. They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two.
So off we go once more. So 45 minutes to turn it round. That had to be more accurate. Breaks on here. He gets past his man. Maradona. Hits one!
Allah Allah.
A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
When the manager
Evet,
called on
yardım
him,
var.
he was only too happy to repay that.
Kendine
That's how you make an impact as a sub. You know, when most are tiring, you can impose a freshness and energy to best effect. What an introduction.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their
Pas
chances
var,
of turning
yanlış
2 into
atlıyoruz.
3.
Maradona. Neymar is the guilty party there. And here's Nedved. Vieira demonstrates his quality. He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. Ruben Dias gets it back. And they win it back again. Xavi Alonso. Maradona. Neymar plays it forward.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
And here's Torres. Little accusatory stare there tells the whole story.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
He'll hit it! Somehow he managed to miss it.
And he could have eased the pressure on his team by taking them within one of an equaliser.
Ya
For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. And it's Maradona. Neymar. Questions were asked, and he's given the answers. Nedved. Done very well to intervene. It's a throw. It's a good foot in there. Mbappe.
Allah
And
Allah.
that will be the final act. It's ended in defeat and frustration. They just didn't get the breaks. No reward for a very genuine
Böyle.
effort.
Evet,
Well done.
gerçekten.
To summarise what we've seen today then, Jim.
It's a poor result. They offered very little goal threat, and it's the
Kardeşimi
kind of
tebrik ederim.
uncommitted
Vallahi güzel
performance that
oynadın.
can drain confidence pretty quickly. At the business end,
İstersen
they
bir
just
daha
can't close the deal.
bir maç daha yapalım.
That's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and goodbye.
Evet evet. Güzel gol attın. Gerçekten. İstersen bir daha yapalım. Sonra kapatacağım zaten yayını. Geç oldu biraz. Tamam, o zaman istek atıyorum. Dakika sen de ise şey yaparsın, düzeltirsin. Ben biraz önce düzeltmemişim ya. Varan aşağıya bakıyor. Ya bu Beckham Baber.
Well, hello and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most
Ne oluyor ya?
games. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it have to be. Has a hit! Goal!
And some of the best managers I've played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it. Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. The defence can get it clear. Yeah, he's fouled him there.
Öyle yaprak denesek mi acaba? Şöyle ya, tacı gitti.
Just a whisker away. It's come loose.
Bizim evet, Neymar. Yetiş lan.
It's it's Nedved. Goes for goal! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
Beautifully worked to take the defence out of the picture, but there'll be no rush to see the replay on this.
Oha.
He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Xabi Alonso goes up and over, looking for space out wide. Great leap! Didn't well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
He simply mistimed the header, and it was as if he knew it wasn't going to work out.
Cafu. Cafu is fouled.
Şu Cafu sen de ver mi?
There has
Bir
been
yere
just the early goal here, and it's 1-0.
geçmedi.
Gerrard. That's offside.
Ya.
Yes, it is.
Şu yürüksü. Belki buraya atar. Geçemedik.
Forward it goes. Oh, good interception. Neymar. Davis. Davis. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? Davis. Real chance!
Ne yapıyorsun lan?
Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Great strength, too strong for his opponent.
Aldım Van Dijk. Ver şuraya.
Cruyff
Cruyff.
does have
Sen
an
de.
assist to his name. And it's Neymar. Belts one.
Ya Neymar.
And they've been caught out here. And through to the goalkeeper. It's Adama Traore. Well, there's something you don't see every day.
Cafu.
Gerrard.
Gerrard.
Yeah.
Hadi sen de.
Cruyff. And here's Torres.
Ya.
Struck first time. Oh, the keeper's equal to it.
Well, Peter, I would say it was worth a try.
That will be the final action of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football. It still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. Kind of a decent game up to now.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break.
Torres.
Things going for the second half.
Gitti şurada. Ya
So they may
demiş.
err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it. We'll see.
Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. puts it forward. Done very well to intervene. He's got through. He's had a go!
Aferin be.
Yeah. Still just a single goal between the sides. Neymar. He's there to receive it. Tries a shot! Back of the net! And there's the goal they've been looking for. There was to be only one outcome.
Peter, I can tell you, that was nothing short of a cold-blooded execution.
Başka kim olsa. Felix Sarılan.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. So the lead now is 2.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
And the counter is on. Decent progress down the left. Oh, real danger here. He's gone for it. Oh, that is
Biraz
rather late.
açılıcı
I'm
davranıyor.
not sure what he had in mind.
Kardeşim.
I don't think he knew either.
Şimdi şöyle atalım. Bir de Neymar. Hiç şuna be. Allah.
Get a throw in. Gets the better of his man. Fires from distance.
Oo.
Gave it a go, but off target.
Well, the defence are in a good position to get behind the ball and let them just try from range.
Hoists it forward. Sterling provides an outlet. Oh, great defending. That needed doing. Cuts it out. He's left his man. Neymar. And the finish! Oh, that's a fine save!
Neymar simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Hadi lan.
And once more they can't get through. Maradona.
Attırmıyorsun Maradona'yı.
Neymar. And it's Maradona. Maradona!
Ne yapıyor lan bunlar?
Sweet feet. He's going to be
Oo.
pulled back for that one. Tempers are flaring. The referee really needs to get a grip
Kavga
again.
yapıyor mu
Yeah,
çocuklar?
well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
So what can they conjure from this
Kafu.
one? Good strong hand by the keeper. Oh, smart save. He had plenty to do.
Well, I thought his starting position was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball and deal with it well.
On behind for a goal kick. Neymar. Yeah.
Ya
And here's Neymar. Davis. He's gone for goal. Lacking in accuracy. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Crunching tackle. And that is as far as they're going to go. It shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Mbappe, he hits it. That comes as a mighty relief. Played out to the right. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. And that is the last effort of the game. Solid,
Elleme
not
sağlık
especially
kardeşim.
fancy, always in
Eyvallah,
control,
teşekkür
and good
ederim.
enough for winning.
Ve yayını kapatıyorum.
Yeah, they had a game plan which
Yarın
was
filan
about
yayın
hammering
açacağım
away in
inşallah.
central positions, and it paid off. For me, they were persistent and
Yarın
ruthless.
oynarız eğer müsait olursa.
Well, that's the lot for now. Thanks to you, Jim, and goodbye.
Eyvallah, sağ ol. Eyvallah, teşekkür ederim. Sana da iyi akşamlar. İnşallah yarın filan yayın açarsam yarın oynarız. Tamam.